morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's special edition of the Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum here at a different, vibrant venue to talk about one of the premier marathon events in Manila. I'm Randy Calawag of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Good morning, Randy. Good morning, PSA. And yes, we are so happy to be with you. We are ending the PSA Forum 2024 on a big note because we are here for a very special session. We are giving way to the coverage of the Batang Pinoy Games in Puerto Princesa and likewise the BIMP IAGA and likewise the preparation of our Philippine Sports Writers Association for the January Awards Night of the oldest sports media organization. I'm Judith Caringa of Radyo Pilipinas 2, ang ating paring sports radio. Hope that you are with us through our live streaming at PSA Facebook page, that's the Philippine Sports Writers Association. Likewise, on a delayed basis over Radyo Pilipinas 2, ang ating paring sports radio.
And before we turn this over, partner, nais nating pasalamatan ang sponsors ng PSA. PSA President Nelson Beltran, the Philippine Star, we see right now. Maraming salamat po, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, SMART, PLDT, Milo Philippines, and Arena Plus. And now, we turn you over to our host, Biggs Boosters. Biggs.
Yay!
Hello, good morning, Sir Randy, Ms. Judith. Maraming po salamat. Ito na po. Good morning po sa lahat. Ako po si Mix Bustos ang mag-host ng ating press con, momentous press conference for today. Pero bago po tayo magsimula, gusto po muna natin palakpakan at pasalamatan syempre po ang lahat po ng bumubuo sa Rock and Roll Running Series. Big round of applause po. Sunrise event, syempre nandiyan po sila Miss Princess, A6, AIA, Manila LGU, at sa lahat po ng support crew, maraming po salamat. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of Manila Vice Mayor Honorable John Marvin, Mr. Yul Servo Nieto. VM, good morning po. Ako po muli si Mix Bustos at syempre gusto po natin din pasalamatan ang lahat po ng mga magigiting, mga colleagues po natin sa media. Ating po media friends, good morning po sa inyo. Members and officers of the Philippine Sports Association,
Sports Writers
Association, led by President Mr. Nelson Beltran of Philippine Star. Good morning po sa inyo. At bago po natin simulan ang ating programa ngayong araw, let us all look back at last year's A6 Rock and Roll Running Series Manila presented by AIA.
Having a rocking good time. A6 Rock and Roll Running Series Manila. It's about that time.
I enjoy the sense of community. I think because this is a rock and roll run, there's going to be live music everywhere. It's something that I'm looking forward to, going around Manila, considering the heritage and the cultural value of the race group.
Our team is so happy to be one of the sponsors for the event, and we're starting to bring more attention to the city of Manila. But it's always a party in the Philippines. The full energy around that created by everyone here is incomparable.
November 24, 2024 is the day once again that we will all race. Of course, on 42 kilometers, 21 kilometers, 10 and 5 kilometers. Ito na po ang isa. Actually, isa po sa mga top na inaabangan na races sa buong taon. Wala po ito sa script pero gusto ko pong i-recognize ang award po na nakuha ng Rock and Roll Running Series 2023 Rock and Roll Running Series, of course, presented by ASICS and AIA. Ito po, ang stat mong ito ang ATO, Association of Tourism Officers of the Philippines Pearl Awards 2024. Na-award po ito ng Best Sports Tourism sa highly urbanized cities. Ito po ang grand winner for this award-giving body. Sila po ang kumbaga mala Oscars pagdating po sa tourism sa buong Pilipinas. So once again, palakpakan naman po natin ang lahat po ng bumubuo ng ASICS Rock and Roll Running Series Manila, of course, presented by AIA. We are streaming live at the Philippine Sports Riders Association or PSA Facebook account. And gusto po natin pasalamatan ang Philippine Sports Riders Association for letting us be the guest sa PSA forum po natin ngayong araw. So earlier, we had our opening ceremony for the ASICS Rock and Roll Running Series Manila presented by AIA, Bib Claiming and Health and Wellness Expo. Binabati po natin din lahat po ng mga early birds na nagki-claim ng kanilang bibs, ng kanilang race bibs today. Hello po and good morning. Mga nasa labas po at mga nandun po sa registration area inside. Today is the first day for Bib Claiming Expo here at the Robinson's Place, Manila. And nandito po tayo hanggang Friday. Alam niyo po, this is the third year of the ASICS Rock and Roll Running Series Manila, and we have around 9,000 participants from or representing 58 countries. 58 countries, hindi provinces, countries. Talagang lilipad po, countries. Mga bansa po, lilipad po ang ating mga friends from abroad just to be able to race at this event. You know, this event, the ASICS Rock and Roll Running Series Manila, started the boom of running events dito po sa beautiful and historic city, walang iba kundi sa Manila. We keep coming back to Manila, di ba po? And today, to welcome us in the city of Manila and to share their excitement for this year's Rock and Roll Running Series Manila, maraming salamat po. We are honored to have you here, Vice Mayor ng Manila City, Honorable John Marvin Yul Servo Nieto.
Isang magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Sa ngalan po ng ating puting ina ng lungsod ng Maynila, Mayor Hani Lamunapangan, kami po ay nagagalak na makasama kayo sa espesyal na pagtitipong ito. Sa panahon ngayon, napakahalaga ng ating kalusugan. Ang pag-ehersisyo at pagpapanatili ng aktibong pamumuhay ay hindi lamang para sa ating katawan, kundi para rin sa ating isipan. Ang marathon na ito ay isang pagkakataon upang ipakita sa ating sarili at sa iba pa ang halaga ng disiplina, determinasyon, at ang lakas ng loob na magpatuloy. Ang pagsali sa mga ganitong uri ng aktibidad ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pagtakbo o pagkatapos ng karera. Ito ay ito ay isang paalala na ang kalusugan at ang pagiging fit ay isang patuloy na proseso na kailangan nating gawing bahagi ng ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. Kaya naman, ang ating taus-pusong pasasalamat sa ASICS at AIA sa kanilang taunang pag-organisa ng marathon na ito ay hinikayat ko po ang bawat isa sa atin na hindi lamang maging aktibo ngayong araw na ito, kundi gawing bahagi ng ating buhay ang pagiging fit at malusog. At mula sa pamanang lungsod ng Maynila, welcome po ang 58 na ibang bansa na sumali dito at welcome po kayo sa Maynila. At nagpapasalamat sa nag-organize po nito sa Rock and Roll Running Series at nakakuha pa tayo ng award. At talaga namang isa po ito sa award na pwedeng pagmalaki ng ating bayan. At sa pangatlong pagkakataon, congratulations po sa ating lahat. At sana hindi lang pangatlong pagkakataon at marami pang pagkakataon na maging laging ganito ang rock and roll series po sa lungsod ng Maynila. At maraming salamat din po na dito niyo po ginawa sa lungsod ng Maynila. Itong event na yan, napaka-importante po para sa atin. At mula sa pamahalaan ng lungsod ng Maynila, sa pangunan ni Mayor Hanny Lacunapangan, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Palakpakan po natin, maraming po salamat, VMU Vice Mayor Yul Cebro. Tama po kayo, VMU, no? Hindi lang po siya pang, kumbaga running, na kumbaga sport lang. It is truly a lifestyle. Nakikita po natin na not just in Manila, but all over the Philippines, all over the world. At sana hindi lang running era, sana pang habang buhay na, para patuloy po tayo nga